Welcome back. This is the last module before we break for our semester break. So, just a couple more weeks to push through. Cognition. This is 8 to 10% of the AP exam. Lots of information as always. Lots of connections, information that we've already discussed, or this kind of sets the framework for information we will be discussing in second semester. Cognition is broken down into basically 4 different areas. Well, we'll talk about cognition in general. What is it? What do you know? We'll go into learning. What is learning? How do you acquire language? Is it nature? Is it nurture? Skinner and Chomsky, they're 2 different psychologists that we'll be looking at in that language acquisition aspect of psychology. Then we're going to go into problem solving. These are practical topics that you can apply to your life immediately. What are the different hindrances to problem solving? What are the different ways that you can problem solve? Then the last but most importantly not least is memory. What techniques can you use to increase your memory? What is memory? How do we remember things? Why do we forget things? What causes those issues? What parts of our brain are used in memory, and then also in the language acquisition and different parts of the learning. We'll look through some different ways to improve your memory. As a student, how can you look at a material, a certain piece of material, and remember what you need from it? There's lots of different stimuli being thrown at you at a given time. How do you process out the distraction and focus on what you need to know? Again, there's going to be a lot of connection from previous material and then material that we will be discussing. But hang tight. This is the last bit that we need to get through before we take our semester exam. Speaking of that, we will finish this module December 11th. That's when everything's due. At that point, a couple days before Christmas break, I want you guys to be studying for your final. I do have a study guide. I do want the final to be taken here. It will be taken through Canvas, but please come to the ICLC. But keep your eyes peeled throughout. But probably by Friday, I will have the final exam study guide posted. If you have any questions, let me know. Hang in there. You guys are doing a great job. Hope you're having fun.